proper motorcycle 360 camera. Insta360 One X2. That's the camera. I know it's a mouthful, but the camera is amazing. You can see it's very tiny, fits in your shirt pocket easily, and it has two lenses on it. If you look close, you'll see both of them here. And it films everything. You don't have to point it in a specific direction or anything. And let me emphasize, when you mount it, it's stationary. It's staying in one position. The movement that you see, because it films everything, when you're looking at the final product, you can move around and decide what your viewer will see and set it up that way in what's called post-production. Anyway, I'm going to mount this on my bike that you see here. This is a Big Dog modified K9 2017 bike, and it has a 117 cubic inch engine in it. We're going to do a couple of different mount locations. Keep in mind, this is just a small sampling of what this amazing camera can do. Besides videos, naturally it shoots 360-degree photos that you can send up to social media places, and the viewers can move around within the photo. Just amazing. And if you're interested in this camera, check out the text below, and you'll find a link, an affiliate link, direct to the manufacturer's site. They usually offer a special bonus if you purchase through the affiliate link, and it also usually includes all taxes. So check that out. And now on to the video. In this clip, the camera is mounted on the right side of the handlebar. And what we're going to do here is something that you can't do with a stationary camera. In post-production, you're going to see I'm going to turn it around right now. And there I'm looking backwards. Now I'm going to speed it up and add blur to it, at the same time move out to what's called Tiny Planet. Okay, the second clip is similar to the last one, but we're starting out with the camera facing me. And then we're going to turn the camera, take a look in front of us. Then I'm going to increase the speed by 16 times the normal speed, and I can add this blur effect to it. You can see we swung around a couple times. But now we're moving at 16 times the regular speed with the blur effect in place. In the next clip, we're going to take the camera, put it on a clamp, and mount it low down on the right side of the bike for a totally different perspective. So let's see how this comes out. Now what I'm going to do is slowly pan the camera to the right side and keep on panning until I'm facing backwards. Alright, the camera started the movement now. And now you're able to see the two riding buddies I was with that day. And my shadow. You couldn't do this with a stationary camera. There we go, the back tire of the bike. Interesting perspective. In this clip, the camera is mounted on a selfie stick just behind the front headlight, and we're starting out in what's called the Tiny Planet effect. Kind of cool effect. You sure wouldn't want to do it for a long time, but then you can transition, as I'm doing here, back to a more normal effect.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.